Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the garage, open it now and pick the car you'll modify. Once done, go to Paint Finish and choose the slot to edit. This is where appearance layers stack. Make sure you have at least one finish type and 2 colors available, otherwise you can't preview combinations. You want to see how light reacts, so select a simple decal and neutral base first. This first step gets you into the tool and primes the visual comparison you'll rely on in later steps. Now you select the finish type and start layering. This is where the details matter. You pick glossy for shine or matte to mute reflections, choose pearlescent for color shift. Then adjust primary and secondary colors and tweak metallic or metallic intensity sliders so highlights read on video. Once you layer a translucent decal or alpha mask, you see contrast and depth. Make sure to rotate the car and test in different arenas. That reveals how light and camera angle. Finish by saving your preset and immediately testing it in a quick match or replay to confirm appearance in motion. You should check against common arena lighting and opponent color palettes to ensure visibility and personal taste. If something looks off, banding, missing sheen, or wrong color, try toggling the paint finish off and reapplying it. If persistent, relog or restart the game to clear cache. Finally, keep one editable backup so you can iterate without losing a working setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.